All right here, we have a key zone.
Welcome to the fucking show.
Look at MMT algo. We have a buy signal at MMT algo. Now we're seeing some strength close above our short-term moving average. So far, this is an example of a trade that I would take. We're in a key zone. Again, this is with the trend. We have a buy signal on MMT algo. We also have bullish divergence. We have a strong candle close above this short-term moving average. Okay, so now I'm looking to actually take a trade. And now I'm looking to take profit at the VWAP because I know that's likely where I'm gonna have selling pressure. So even that gives me a 1 to 2. So when I look at that and we play this, boom, straight through it.
$1 million.
And if we break above it, especially with a strong move like that, then typically, we'll sustain that move above it. We'll maintain higher. All right, that's a very strong breakout above it. Obviously, a lot of institutional activity through that VWAP. And so as you can see, we grind higher and we stay above it until now. We're still above it now in the current market. But that would be an example of taking a trade from a key level using candle psychology, MMT algo, short-term moving average, and then actually taking profit at the VWAP. In this case, we went a lot higher, but you could take profit there. If you had a limit order, if you're watching it, I'd be more than happy taking profit there. You're basically at the top of the range. Right, and sometimes it doesn't make sense. So for example, if we do a new replay, here's an example where it doesn't make sense. Okay, so if we look at it again, we're in a key zone. We know we're trading with the trend. However, we've got buy signals over here. We get above it. We then go sideways, right? And then we have a strong bar. So this is our, breakout bar from the bottom of the range. But that breakout bar, what's it breaking into? It's breaking straight into the VWAP, which means your stop loss has to be below it. Your take profit would have to be, up here. So you might think you're getting a 1 to 1, but the issue is at this VWAP, you're going to have selling pressure or potentially more buying pressure. You don't know, but it's more the VWAP. A lot of institutions guarantee VWAP prices. So if you know they're guaranteeing prices, and I watch the order flow, I see hundreds and hundreds of orders go through at the VWAP. So I can see the institutional activity. But if you know that VWAP is going to be a place where there's going to be volatility or institutional activity, it's something that you want to use, to take profit for me personally. Not necessarily, you can take a strong breakout through it and aim higher, but I'm cautious taking a trade like this because I'm like, well, fuck, what's going to happen next? I don't know, right? I don't know what's going to happen next. The institutions could be looking to buy, they could be looking to sell. I don't actually know. And if we look at this, we sort of just chop around right on the VWAP. And then I think we come back down. We get a sell signal on MMT algo, bearish divergence, then we come back down.
And it's gone.
Right, so that's an example of where you're using VWAP to actually invalidate your trade. Rather than using that to take a trade back to the top of the range, I'm actually using that to invalidate it. Because I know there's going to be activity there and there's not enough room for me to take profit.